Hello everyone, this is Raj Shekharan from Trend Rooster. In this presentation, I'm going to show you the the current week performance of WAT, how we thrived in this volatility market, right? WAT stands for Weekly Income Trade, and we typically trade market neutral option trading systems. Let's begin. Legal disclaimer. All right. So this is a trade we started at. This is one of our profile. It's called IM5, which is the income method 5. We have income method 1, income method 2, income method 3, 4, and 5. So we have totally 5 income methods for the WAT weekly income method, weekly income trade. So in this we started that we looking at more IV volatility, more Vega. IV. So thought of creating this kind of income method 5, and initially we used around 24 lakhs of margin. So this is the profile, and pretty simple profile, but it's very robust, right? This is the profile, and I started with 21st of Jan, and after initiating it, so let's move on to the next slide. I'll explain that. Okay, so on the same 21st of Jan, we had the afternoon session. It's fall around 901 points in Bank Nifty. Okay, so this is somewhere here we initiated the trade on the same day. This is 15 minutes candle chart, not 15 minutes, 5 minutes I guess, 15 minutes. Okay, so 15 minutes candle chart, and it's a fall around 900 and minus 901 1 points fall. Okay, so this is something like it's almost about to reach our we started around 32,000, somewhere around 800 as a center, and since here 32,800 center to market all the way came to 32,300 somewhere here. Okay, so we had to shift this, we had to shift, and then we have to make the adjustments. So the earlier profile was like this, and now this on the same day, the end of the day, this was the profile. All right, and the market is somewhere here. Okay, 32,300 was the market. So we managed around 900 points on the fall on the same day, the initiation day, and then we are assuming that it's a market. So profile is almost one standard deviation, and we think that market will stay in this within this area. So and we had a more surprise actually. So let's move on to the next slide. Market opened a little bit down, and this was the profile on the day, and the whole day again, whole day was fall again minus almost 1,000 points. So total together of 2 days we had around 1,700 or 1,000, close to 1,800 points on fall. So we had to pump extra to adjust this profile, and let me show you on the next slide how we adjusted this profile. The profile started on the same day, assuming that 32,300 was there. So market is almost reaching the 32,000, market 30. So we had to create a tent here. So that is what we did. Okay. So tent is already created, and the market is okay to wait still around 32,000, 31,700 or so. Then market is breaching. So we had to create finally this profile. And the margin is extra. Overall, the margin is used around 48 lakhs. So 32,000 earlier previous day 32,300, and after opening we had to create a small tent for adjustments, and that time around close to 32,000. Now market is 31,300. Okay. So that was an extreme fall. We had to adjust twice or thrice within a day. Okay. So again, yesterday was again the whole day was volatile. Market Bank Nifty gap up 400 points and then fall 600 points, again 600 points or 700 points up, 400 points down, 300 points up, and then 700 points down. So it was very volatile, and still we able to thrive in this market, and so this was the profile. And we end up in finally around 85, 83, 84 lakhs, 84,000 rupees with this 52 lakhs of margins. It's around 1.6 or 1.4 percentage of profit, and we booked this profit already. And we are not going to carry this trade as market is very volatile. Within 3 days, we achieved 1.6 percentage of return of investment, and we closed for this weekly trade. And that's all, guys, I wanted to show you. So how the systems works, how even market moves volatile against our trade, we are able to adjust provided we have capital. Okay, so we able to adjust this profile and create a nice trend and make a money out of it. It's theta positive and vega negative trades. And also we managed it, gap up, gap down, slight gap down, and furious fall, everything within this, and still we able to book around 1.6 percentage of this return of investment in this volatile environment. That's all, guys, I wanted to explain in this video, and thank you, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.